E aí, hoje nós vamos cozinhar o pão de queijo das Minas Gerais. Primeira, o leite. Medium heat. Combine the milk. Margarina, butter. 2 tablespoons of neutral oil. Okay, 2 tablespoons. Spoon de mesa. 1, 2. All right, we got the oil. Okay, now the dry ingredients. Time to open this tapioca flour that I got from Amazon, which makes sense because that's in Brazil. We've got the tapioca. Now in a different bowl, we'll beat the eggs. Everyone likes to see a good egg crack. Ovos, ovos, ovos. Mix the eggs. Pão de queijo is my favorite. Last time I made it, I messed up. I had to make it again. And then the second time I made it was delicious, but I didn't film it. So this will be the third time I'm making this. All right, so we'll set the beaten eggs to the side because if you put it in there, they'll cook. 1 tablespoon of salt. Nice and salty. All right, I think this has been cooking for long enough. Oh, I messed up. Wipe this real quick. How much cheese do we want? 4 ounces? I kind of got random stuff because most of the American recipes say to use Parmesan, and I did that and it was disgusting. So I got Asiago cheese and pepper jack cheese. One's kind of spicy because I like it a little bit spicy. When do I put the minced garlic in? Okay, let's start to combine. It's so simple, it's just tapioca flour. Makes it so easy. That's the magic ingredient. I don't have a special mixer. I'm doing this by hand, which is gonna get tiring. So after putting the egg in, it's gonna look like this. And then soon I'll put the cheese in. I still have to shred the cheese. Okay, time to cut the cheese. That means farting in English. Woo! Asiago stinks. No wonder we call that farting. Cutting the cheese. So this is half the cheese. The other half will come from here. Thomas, can you do a quick conversion for me? Okay, time to shred this cheese. Maridabaya. Off camera, we ran out of space because of how much long it took to grind this cheese. Então, agora nós vamos vir os trem tão grande para o queijo grindar novamente. All right, so now put our cheese into the mix. It's time to get back to the mix. The best part, mixing. Oh, I almost forgot. I bought some pre-minced garlic. I mean, it's probably better to mince your own garlic, but this is what I got. I'll put a teaspoon, a lot of cheese in there already. Continue the mix. This is really quite an easy recipe if you have like a electric mixer. Se você não tem mixer eletrônico, tá muito difícil. Mas não é muito difícil. É divertido, né? Para fazer uma coisa que você puxar o grease de elbow, né? Elbow grease. You use your elbow grease to make this pão de queijo. Oh, that's starting to look pretty good, huh? Last thing, I get my tray. I have some canola oil spray. Just spray it so it doesn't stick. Just have a cup of water. And I'm gonna get like a spoonful's worth. And if you dip your hand in the water, then you can make it like this. Size of the spoon. There's your little pão. Got my phone. I like bigger pão de queijo because the bigger it is, the gooier the inside is, and it's more cheesy gooey inside. I don't have a big pan because I just moved into a new house. If you follow my Instagram, you know that. If you don't follow my Instagram, you should follow my Instagram. nos pãozinhos para ser gostosos. Eu não posso esperar para esses pão de queijos para aprontar. Então, começar fogo do pão de queijo. Vai embora. Vai crescer no seu potencial. Vamos clean. Vou esperar 25 minutos, tá? Ela está pronto. Delicious. Look at those pounds. Boom. Boom. These ones are flat. These ones are not flat. I think the glass made these ones flat. A little bit nicer. Do you want to eat one in the video?
Not in the video. Why you wouldn't?
They're hot now. Maybe I cooked it too much. Gente, ter cuidado, tá muito quente. So it's gonna be really cheesy.